Chase, thanks so much. Right now, more than 113,000 people are infected with the coronavirus across the world.
Yeah, here in the U.S., there are nearly 1,000 cases in 37 states now and in Washington, D.C. The majority of cases in Seattle, San Francisco, and New York City.
Time to catch you up on the latest coronavirus developments. We have learned that Portugal is suspending flights to Italy for the next 14 days.
This comes as Chile is quarantining people entering the country from Spain and also from Italy. Travelers will be required to complete a 14-day period of isolation from their homes.
Here in the U.S., the Big East Conference has announced its plans to let the Big East tournament continue at Madison Square Garden as scheduled this week. Games are scheduled to begin tomorrow.
And here in Utah, organizers of the Canyonlands Half Marathon and the 5-mile run in Moab, they're taking a different route in all this. All runners have been notified and informed of their registration options for the race. Preventative steps being put in place now for the most vulnerable in case coronavirus arrives here in Salt Lake County.
The plan is to limit the number of people from outside aging centers. Jim Spiewak looked into how exactly this all happens. Jim?
Well, first off, it's important to note that these centers, like the one behind me, this is just one of 16 in the county. They're not places where people come and live full time. As you can see, the lights are off. They're more for them to come and have some recreation during the course of the day. Now, there's this term, it's called social distancing. It's an effort to get as much done as possible with as little interaction as possible. Life at a Salt Lake County Senior Center is worry-free. But health experts say right now, those over the age of 60 are at a higher risk to contract coronavirus.
I just think you need to be careful. You need to, take care of yourself.
Lewis Miller volunteers with Salt Lake County Aging and Adult Services, delivering Meals on Wheels.
I try to stay a little bit away from them just in case. So I don't want to get face to face, but I'll be, in the same area, in the same room.
Aging Services is now implementing new policies in case coronavirus pops up here in Salt Lake County.
And be even more cautious about protecting the health and well-being of our older adult clients.
All 19,000 of them that use Aging Services each year. After January, with Aging Services says they ordered 4,000 extra shelf-stable meals and are taking extra preventative measures with meal deliveries.
So the term is social distancing, and it's something that the CDC has been kind of reminding all of us that we need to do.
As part of the social distancing effort, ombudsman caseworkers will now remotely check up on patient concerns at the facilities when that is usually done in person.
We are no longer visiting the facilities in person unless the situation necessitates it.
Which is what Cindy Miller does when she volunteers.
Exactly.
She's well aware here in the U.S. a large number of cases have come from assisted living homes.
And it has been for people over 60 with underlying health conditions. So therefore, it's an extreme concern for the folks that are within those communities.
Which is even more reason to prepare now. Now, of the 16 centers, none of them are closed right now. I'm being told that if cases show up here in Salt Lake County, they may have to temporarily close some of these down. And I've also put a list of all of the efforts being made over on our website, KUTV.com. Guys, back to you.